Welcome to Home of Math, Algebraic Expression. Today we are going to solve some factorization step by step. Let's start. First one, number 11. Why number 11? Because number 1 to 10 already solved last video, which link you will get in the description box. Anyway, number 11, here is a square minus 30a plus 216. So we will middle term this one. So first 216 we will make two number. By multiplication we will get 216 and by addition we will get 30. So first we will prime factorize this one. So first we can divide by 2. So here is 108. Again divide by 2. So here is 54. Divide by 2, 27. Then again divide by 3. So 9. Then 3 and 3. So we should make 30. How? Look, here is 3 and 3, 9. 9 times 2 is a 18, right? And here is a 2 times 2 is a 4. 4 times 3 is a 12. Look, once we add this one, we will get 30. Once we multiply, we will get 216, right? So a square minus 18a minus what? 12a plus 216. So this math, main important things to segregate two numbers, right? So now we can take common a. So here is a minus 18 and again minus 12 common. So a minus 18. So now a minus 18 we can take common. So here is a minus 12 and this is our answer. Okay, number 11 done. Now number 12. Here is a to the power 8 minus a to the power 4 minus 2. So this one is very important. A to the power 8 minus a to the power 4 minus 2. So this one, what can we do? Look, here is a to the power 8 and here is a to the power 4. So we can write, this is 2. 2 means what? 2 times 1 is a 2 and 2 minus 1 is a 1. So in this case we can write minus 2a to the power 4 plus a to the power 4. So 2 minus 1 become 1 and here is minus 2, right? Then we can take common a to the power 4. So here is a minus 2 plus we can take common 1, again a to the power 4 minus 2. So finally we can take common, here is a to the power 4 minus 2 and a to the power 4 plus 1 and this is our answer. So 11 and 12 done. Now number 13. So here is x square minus 37x minus 650. So this 650 we should make something which by multiplication we will get 650 and by addition we will get 37. So this one, look, a very interesting thing, we know about 5 times 13, it means 65, right? And also if you think like this is 0, it means here is 0. An interesting thing, 50 minus 13, it will become 37. Just quick concept. So we can write x square minus 50x plus 13x minus 650. Okay, so we can take common x. So here is x minus 50 plus 13, we can common. So here is x minus 50. So look, here is x minus 50, x minus 50 we can take common and here is x plus 13. So this is our answer. Okay, so number 13 done. Now number 14. Here is 9x square y square minus 5xy square, then minus 14y square. So this one, it's not direct we can make middle term factor, because here is y square, here is y square, this is a problem, and also here is a y square. So first we can take common y square. Now look, 9x square minus 5x minus 14. Now this one we can make what? We can make middle term factor. So y square, so 14 and 9 we can multiply, right? 14 times 9, it will become 126, and this one 14 and 9, the answer will be 126, and once we subtract it will become 5. So in this case we can write 9x square minus 14x plus what? 14x plus 9x, right? 9x minus 14. Okay, then we can write, look, here is a y square, so we can take common here x, right? X, so here is 9x minus 14, plus again we can take common 1, so here is 9x minus 14. So we can use here second bracket. Okay, so here is y square, and here is 9x minus 14, 9x minus 14, and here is x plus 1. This is our answer. Number 15. 4x to the power 4 minus 27x square minus 81. So 81 and times 4, it will be 432. Our target to make 27 by addition. So this one we can divide by 2, we will get 16, and 2 again divide by 2, 81 divided by 3, 27 divided by 3, 9 divided by 3, 9. Now look, 2 times 2 is a 4, 4 times 3 is a 12, 12 times 3 is a 36, and here is a 3 times 3 is a 9. Look, 36 minus 9, it will become 27. So here is 4x to the power 4 minus 27, it means the sign is getter sign is minus. So in this case we can write minus 36x square and plus 9x square minus 81. So we can take common 4x square, right? So we can write x square minus 9 times 4 is a 36, so 9. We can take common 9, so here is x square minus 9, right? Then x square minus 9, x square minus 9 we can take common, and here is 4x square plus 9, right? Then this one is looking a square minus b square, so we can write x plus 3, x minus 3, and here is 4x square plus 9. This is our answer. So number 15 done, and our last math of this video, which is number 16. Here is a x square plus a square plus 1 x plus a, right? Then what can we do? Here is a x square plus, we can multiply this one, it means a square x plus a, right? Now from here we can take common ax, so a out, so here is a x and a square, divide a, here is a and x out. We can take common 1, so x plus a, right? Now look, here is a x plus a, so x plus a and ax plus 1, and this is our answer. So thank you very much being with me. This video we are trying to solve 6 factorization of algebraic expression, which is very important for any kinds of examination. Class 8 to 10, this is more important, especially grade 9 and 10 O level set and Cambridge IGCSE types examination, and also SSC in Bangladesh. So part 2 exercise 3.3 done. Next video we will start from number 16. Till then, take care, keep practice at home. Thank you very much. Bye bye.